Hi, I'm Ian with Sturbridge Yankee Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together the pinched iron table lamp. And first off, we're going to make sure that we have all the pieces, and it comes with your main part of the lamp, which is 3 separate pieces attached by the power cord running through the middle. It's made up of the base, the column, and the top section of the lamp. Your black iron finial, just make sure you don't lose that. It's a very small piece and can easily go unseen. Woven harp, and your woven shade, which is made up of a coarse weave. Also, you're going to want to make sure you have a light bulb. This lamp takes 100 watts and preferably a 3-way light bulb, but you can use a 1-way as well. And the first step is to put together the main section of the lamp. And to do that, you're just going to want to screw in the top part to the column, like this. And then you're going to want to screw your column into the base. And once that locks in place, the next step is to put your harp on. And to do this, you're just going to squeeze it in and then attach it right into these slots alongside of the socket. And once you have it inside the slots, you're just going to slide these over and make sure it's in place. The next step is just to slide your shade over this screw, and the final step is to screw the finial on and secure the shade. And now we have our assembled pinched iron table lamp. And the reason we call it the pinched iron table lamp is because these shafts of iron are coming at the end and are pinched actually. And the final step really we have is to put the light bulb in. And to do that, you're just going to set it in the socket, make sure your lamp's unplugged, screw that in. And then you're going to want to plug the lamp in. And now we have a working pinched iron table lamp, which comes in bright, brighter, and brightest.